5 payments of $19.99.
Just be very careful, you can hear credit.
Issued at 4:07 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. The National Weather Service in Spokane has issued a flash flood warning for the Walker Creek burn scar in northeastern Okanagan County in north central Washington until 7 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 4:05 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain over the Walker Creek burn scar. Between 0.1 and 0.3 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 0.25 to 0.5 inches in 1 hour. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Excessive rainfall over the burn scar will result in debris flow moving through the Henderson, Lightning, Patagon Creeks flowing into Bonaparte Creek drainage. The debris flow can consist of rock, mud, vegetation, and other loose materials. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding in and around the Walker Creek burn scar. Source: radar. Impact: life-threatening flash flooding of areas in and around the Walker Creek burn scar. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Bonaparte Lake Campground, Wakonda and Lost Lake Campground. Same areas that had flash flooding occur last Friday will be at risk for additional flash flooding and debris flows. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 7 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time for the following county: Okanagan, Washington.
We'll ship it all to you.